I'm Kenneth B. Sidirio from BPED 2D. Now I'm going to discuss to you the history and the facility and equipment and also the terminology of a volleyball. So first we have history. So volleyball was invented in 1895 by William G. Morgan, a physical director of Young Men's Christian Association or YMCA in Holkey, Massachusetts. It was designed an indoor sport for businessmen who found the new game of basketball too vigorous. They started with a latex bladder made from a material similar to that a bicycle tire. Then they added a second layer made of cloth and covered the whole thing with a third and final layer made of leather. With that, the first ever volleyball was created. Volleyball was called Mintonet because of its similarity with badminton. However, Alfred Halstead later named it the volleyball because the objective of the game was to volley the ball back and forth or the net. So we have facility, the volleyball facility. So volleyball court dimension. The volleyball court is 60 feet by 30 feet in total. The net is placed in the center of the court, making each side of the net 30 feet by 30 feet. And we have center line. A center line is marked at the center of the court, dividing it equally into 30 feet squares, above which the net is placed. So attack line. An attack line is marked 10 feet of each side of the center line. So service line. A service line, the area from which the server may serve the volleyball, is marked 10 feet inside the right sideline on each back line. So the net. The net is placed directly above the center line, 7 feet 4 inches above the ground for women and 8 feet above the ground for men. So poles. Volleyball poles should be set at 36 feet apart, 3 feet further out from the sidelines. Ceiling height. The minimum ceiling height should be 23 feet. Thought this should preferably be higher. So let's move to volleyball equipment. So the basic equipment you will require for indoor volleyball are court shoes, but knee pads and ankle brace are regularly used by many players as well. And also we have net, ball, flag, whistle, and also a card, yellow card, red card, like that. And we have volleyball terminology. So we have ace, a serve that is not possible and result immediately in a point. Approach, fast strike toward the net by spiker before he jump in the air. And assist, passing or setting the ball to a teammate who attacks the ball for a kill. And attack, the offensive action of hitting the ball and attempt by one team to terminate the play by hitting the ball to the floor on the opponent's sides. Attack block, receiving players' aggressive attempt to block a spike ball before it crosses the net. And attack error, an unsuccessful attack which does one of the following: land out of bounds, and the ball goes into the net and terminates player or goes into the net on the third hit. And then the ball is blocked by the opposition for a point upside out. And 4, the attacker is called for a center line violation. And the attacker is called for illegal contact, lift, double hit on the attack. So attacker. Also, hitter is spiker, a player who attempts to hit the ball offensively with the purpose of terminating play in his or her team favor. Attack line, a line 3 meters from the net that separates the front row players from the back row players, commonly referred to as the 10-foot line. Backcourt, the area from the end line to the attack line. Backset, a set delivered behind the setter back which is subsequently hit by an attacker. Back row attack, When a back row attack or when a back row player attack the ball by jumping from behind the 3-meter line before hitting the ball, if the back row player step on or past the 3-meter line during takeoff, the attack is illegal. Beach dig. An open hand receives of the ball, also called a deep dish. Black. A defensive play by one or more player meant to deflect a spike ball back to the hitter court. It may be combination of 1, 2 or 3 players jumping in front of the opposing spiker and contacting the spike ball with the hand. Cross-court shot. An individual attack directed at an angle from one end of the opposite team side of the net to the opposite sideline of the defensive team courts. And cut shot. A spike from the hitter's strong side that travels at the sharp angle across the net. Dig. Passing a spike or rapidly hit ball, slang for the art of passing an attack ball close to the floor. And floater. A serve which does not spin or rotate, that therefore moves in an erratic path. This is similar to a knuckleball pitch in basketball. So forearm pass. Join your arm from the elbow to the wrist and strike the ball with the fleshy part of your forearm in an underhand motion. A serve is started by the server tossing by the ball into the air or jumping into the hitting the ball. It is downward motion. Pancake. A one-handed defensive technique where the hand is extended and the palm is long to the other player drives to extension rolls and time so that the ball bounces off the back of the hand. So that's all for today. Thank you.